What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. Right now we're headed up to Airbnb up in Fallbrook. I left my Civic there. So today is Winter Wonderland. Big collaboration I did with indie drivers. Yeah, this is a big show. We got like 300 cars. It's about to be lit. Like, we got people coming from Vegas, Texas, Arizona, all the way up, driving all the way to Temecula. So we are hosting that Mount Palomar, Temecula. And yeah, let's go. We're at Airbnb right now. Let's go get my car. We're pulling up at the Airbnb. What is this? Look at Trap House or what? Look at that. Oh man. Yeah. You would pull up right there. I'll open the gate, reverse it. We are here at the Airbnb, guys. Sheesh. Damn, it's pretty cold out here. Look at that foggy out, boys. Eee. We're getting ready to roll out. But Airbnb, let me take you inside real quick. So they got this part and this part right here. Damn. Welcome to MTV Cribs. Look at that. Sheesh. Ready. We're ready, guys. Look at the upstairs. Damn. Oh. Damn. These stairs are crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, this is cool.
You can take off on the Zoom.
I wonder how much they paid to build this thing. It's crazy. Holy crap! They got the. What is this? A mini door? Look at. That is awesome. Damn, this is like a trap house. Yeah, but if you are drunk, look how small these steps are. Look. Heck no. We are rolling out to the venue. Let's go. So we are ready for check-in. Got the booth right here. People are ready to come in. So everyone's gonna come in through that side. We already staged our cars back there. I'll show you guys a little bit. So this whole area right here will be the show area. Then we got the winery right here. They're gonna be having live music. We're gonna have a bar by our booth. So pretty dope. Mount Palomar Winery. Yeah, wine tasting. I believe it's like you get like 6 glasses of wine for like 25. Pretty good deal. All right, we got the rolling right now. We got a team of 25 ultra speed. Shit's going down, guys. Already start staging. Oh snap! We got one car on the platform. Holy crap! Yeah, we are working this hella. Everything's crazy. All right, everyone, we did it. We are staged.
My buddy Red.
Crazy. You're good. We got my ODRZ here. Shit ton of toys from San Diego Subi. Shout out to them. San Diego Subis came out. Those are all the toys from them. Then we got a bunch of toys back there. But this alone is from San Diego Subis. Shout out to them for coming out to support. We got our booth set up. Got the new tent from 742 Marketing. Yeah, we're out here. Let's go ahead and walk around. This is crazy. We did it. There's about almost 300 cars here, inside and out. And yeah, let's go take a look.
third place Nissans. We're on the Nissan, guys, which was extremely difficult. Third place Nissan.
Yep, shout out to everyone that donated to the toy drive. Yeah, we're not gonna fit this all in the car, so we have to all split them, and we're gonna end up donating these. Thank you. It was a successful show. Crazy, 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 guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for supporting. I'm out.